Welcome to my channel. Today we learn number names from 801 to 820. So let's start. 801 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 ONE 1 801 802 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 TWO 2 802 803 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 THRW 3 803 804 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 FOUR 4 804 805 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 FIVE 5 805 806 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 SIX 6 806 807 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 SEVEN 7 807 808 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 EIGHT 8 808 809 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 NINE 9 809 810 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 TEN 10 810 811 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 ELEVEN 11 811 812 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 TWELVE 12 812 813 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 THIRTWN 13 813 814 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 FOURTWN 14 814 815 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 FIFTWN 15 815 816 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 SIXTWN 16 816 817 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 SEVEN TWN 17 817 818 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTWN 18 818 819 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 NINETWN 19 819 820 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 TWENTY 20 820. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.